Hi guys, so ito nga pala. Tignan mo guys. Nag-uusap kami ni Hans, tapos biglang tong baka ito papunta dito. Hoy baka, kapalish, hoy baka. Tignan natin itong baka. Baka! 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 May baka dito guys. Ah! Cow, idiot. Ah! May baka guys. Alam, hindi ako idiot. You're idiot, not me, baka. I mean cow. May cow dito kasi guys. Ikaw. Wait, they will love you.